wasn't included in the NEP. Is that what happened?
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
but they have to be part of the 27.721 billion that you're requesting, because we are going to meet with our chair and the vice chair precisely based on your request 21.76 billion. Wala dito yung capital outlay nyo is only your capital outlay is only 3.5 million for transportation and intangible assets of 1 million.
Yes.
So saan dito yon?
You really have an eagle eye, Your Honor. Thank you for
Yeah,
that.
we really-
Your
I
Honor.
cannot defend you in
Yes,
our
po.
committee hearing with the chair if it's not in the request.
Yes, we will add it, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Please
very
add
much, Your
them
Honor.
as soon as
Yes, po.
possible. Please proceed, Congressman Po.
That's
Thank
2
you,
billion,
Mr.
Your
Chair.
Honor. No? 2 billion po. 2 billion. Yes po. Yes po, 2 billion. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
The judiciary is too humble. Kaya we'll help them.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
With that being said, I also want to move on to continuing that line of thought on free legal aid. No, marami po akong kaibigan sa IBP, marami po akong kaibigan na nagbibigay ng libreng legal services, no, pro bono work. Is there any chance that the judiciary or the Supreme Court would be open to MCLE credits for pro bono work?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, there's a Republic Act that credits free legal service on the part of lawyers even before the rules on unified legal services came about. Pero sa ulas po, mas particular na yung number of hours rendered by a member of the bar who's qualified to render free legal aid service. Yes,
So
Your Honor.
just to continue, what is exactly the correspondent units for the number of hours served? Can we know?
Yes, Your
From the
Honor. It's
ulas.
12 hours, Your Honor.
If there is 12 hours units,
Yes, Your Honor.
credits, okay?
Accredited
For how
for
many
MCLE.
hours of pro bono work?
36 hours, Your Honor.
So
Yes.
the
But
lawyer should be able to time it.
yes, Your
Is there
Honor.
a certification from the regional executive judge?
Yes, Your Honor. We have our ULAS rules, Your Honor.
Okay, so they will get the entirely 12 units
Yes.
for 36 hours of.
MCL.
That's clear. Many are watching us lawyers. So lawyers should just, those watching us, continue to give pro bono.
Yes, Your Honor.
You will be exempted with 12 units
Yes, Your Honor.
if you have 36 hours in court pro bono. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, I just had to ask that para, yes, we can remind our legal friends that there are credits that can be availed of for good service to our fellow kababayans. Actually, that ends my line of questioning because I'm really here to support the judiciary in their modernization, in their accessibility, and their provision of legal services to those in need. No, so I would like to manifest my support for the judiciary. And again, it has been an honor to preside over your budget with our chairman here. Maraming salamat po. And we will make a case for the increase in budget for our kababayans and for our justice system. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor.
Thank you, Vice Chairman Brian Poe, for your support for the budget of the judiciary, especially the specific fields that you want to be augmented. Our next interpellator is also from the Deputy Minority Leader, Tonji Tinio. Wala na? Basta pala. So then we go to Representative Rene Co. Wala na, so majority lang naiwan. Nako, we can decide immediately to increase all of this.
Mr. Chair,
Oh, wala. Hindi ka nalista dito, but we'll call you because this is the slot of the minority. We call on, you want to have a time, di ba? Yes.
yes, Mr. Chair, please.
Congressman Sergio Dagook is now recognized for the minority.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, no? Especially to our justices, both from the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeals.
Magandang umaga po.
Justice Raul is aware of my issue year in, year out. The former court administrator also, who is now Justice Marquez, no? Nagkakilala kami dahil sa issue na to. I hope, no, this will be the last budget hearing on my 7th year in Congress, because we're delivering justice and not paying the power bills of the different courts of the country is also an injustice. Para may paliwanag ko lang, mostly these courts are found in the different provinces or in some cities under the area coverage of the electric cooperatives where I represent. So, para lang malinaw sa ating mga justices, distribution utilities lang po ang electric cooperatives. They are non-stock, non-profit, under PD 269. Yung pong binabayaran natin na 1 piso sa kanila, 17 centavos lang po yung natitira sa kanila, yung distribution charge. Kasi yung generation charge po, which constitute 60 to 65% o 65 centavos per piso, sa planta po yon, because we are not generating, we are only distributing. Yung 12 centavos po doon, sa BIR po yon, taga-kolekta lang kami. Yung 10 centavos sa national grid, yung transmission line po natin. So, in every piso na hindi nababayaran, yung 17 centavos natin na matitira, supposed to be for the operation, naghahanap pa po tayo ng pangdagdag na another 17 centavos para mapunan yung 65 centavos. Puputulan po kasi tayo ng planta pag hindi tayo So, may I reiterate my appeal for the 7th year, not to the Court of Appeals, but to all the justices. May appeal na to find ways. Ginawa na po to ni Justice Marquez nung time niya, pero mayroon pang mga hindi na plansa. Pinapine-tune to ni Justice Villanueva. Kakaunti lang yung panahon niya, pero may malaking improvement na, no? May mga na-assign na tayo na mga finance doon na mga judges sa mga regions. Sana po ay matapos na to. Anyway, may budget naman kayo. For example, ngayon, can I respectfully ask, magkano yung budget natin sa utilities for 2026?
MOOE po kasi. We will just check, Your Honors. That's under MOO. Yes. But Your Honor, if you may be interested to know, with the creation of our Office of Regional Court Managers, they are actually tasked to monitor payment of utilities from water, for different regions. That will be constitute water, electricity. So meron na pong nagmo-monitor noon, Your Honor. They make sure that electricity in particular is paid. So for...
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Yan po yung iniwan ni Justice Raul bago siya umalis. Yung pagtalaga ng mga regional sa finance na gumagana na po yan, at least mga 4 months now in Caraga, because I'm also managing 2 electric cooperatives in Caraga.
Oh, okay po.
So, but in other regions, malaki pa po yung kailangan nating, in millions pa po. In some regions po, mayroon pang mga 2021 prior na
yes
hindi
po.
natin na-settle.
Yes
Baka po pwede na
Yes po.
yung in charge doon,
Yes.
titingnan kung valid pa yung mga bills na yon.
Yes po.
Baka pwede pong masettle.
Yes po.
May I just respectfully ask kung sino yung bibigyan ko ng kopya para at least ma-verify.
Kami na lang po, Your Honor, so we can talk to
Tumuturo
the
na si
RTM.
Justice Raul.
Yes po. Opo. Yes po.
So, yan lang naman po yung issue ko year in, year out in behalf
Yes,
of the electric cooperatives na nahihirapan na pong isubsidize muna yung pambayad sa planta
Yes po.
at nagamit na nila yung pansahod sa mga empleyado just to be able to continue serving the areas under their franchise. So, before I end, Mr. Chair, I would like to reiterate every year my manifestation for the support of the budget of the judiciary, no? Hiwalay naman po mamaya yung DOJ. because napakalaking napakalaking gamit po ng judiciary para maibalik yung tiwala doon sa mga opisina na parang hindi na pinaniwalaan ng ating mga kababayan na nagbabayad ng buwis. Sila po yung final arbiter kung naibigay ba doon sa mga taxpayers yung hostisya. So maraming salamat po Mr. Chair, and with your kayo po yung mag-sponsor. I hope na yung mga napag-usapan kanina maibigay po sa kanila. Thank you Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Representative Sergio Dagook, for your annual manifestation of support to the judiciary's budget and the increase of the budget. Thank you very much, my fellow Mindanaonon. Okay. So the next in the list is Congressman Mario Bangcoro, also from Mindanao. Where's Mario?
Mr. Chair.
Ayan. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Good
Mr.
morning
Chair.
po, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judiciary family. Madam Justice, yung concern ko is parokyal. Yung district ko kasi, mayroon lang isang second level court.
Yes po.
Ang problema po, ang active cases natin is 3,000 po. So, tinatanong ko yung judge, ang sitting nila is more or less 6 months. Ang kawawa, yung akusado. Kung magkataon na nakaset na yung schedule niya, na postpone for some reason, magantay na naman siya ng another 6 months. So, grabing injustice po ang nangyayari. Ngayon, may na-create na 5 courts for second level on that particular district in the 19th Congress. So, baka pwede nating mahanapan ng paraan, mapadali yung implementation
Yes po.
of that 5 courts, RTC courts. Kasi po, talagang kawawa yung mga yung mga akusado po. So, pwede ho bang maano
po.
natin yung commitment po?
May we get the detail, Your Honor, where the court is? So that,
First District sa Buanga Sibugay, ang kasalukuyang RTC namin is located at Imilda, sa Buanga
yes,
Sibugay.
Your Honor. Thank you,
So,
Your Honor.
If you need space for that, I can
Ay,
coordinate
thank you,
with the
Your
local
Honor.
government
Thank
units
you, Your Honor.
para matulungan lang po natin.
Yes, we will coordinate, Your Honor, and try to verify it so that we can appoint assisting judges to be able to unload the docket, to unload the docket of the one station court, Your Honor.
Actually, Madam Justice,
And-
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
may assisting judges na doon.
Yes po.
Unfortunately, sa dami nga po,
Yes po. We can add
nasa
more, Your Honor.
3,000 po, hindi talaga kaya.
Opo. Opo.
So, kung ma-qualify ba siya sa Justice on Wheels, mayroon pa ba tayong ganun?
We will check into it because although it is repurposed, Your Honor, we've suspended its operation. But it is true it's supposed to serve the underserved areas. But I think the better remedy, Your Honor, will be if there are 5 created courts, is to look into it and then ask for the opening of the position as soon as the budget appropriations is there, Your Honor. We will ask JBC to open it so that the immediate appointment of the 5 judges for the 5 courts.
Okay. Next, thank you for that, Madam Justice, Mr. Chair. Second is, kasi yung probinsya namin is newly created, pero 20 years na po. Palagi naming naririnig na magkakaroon daw po kami ng Justice Hall. Pwede ba bang malaman natin na
Justice
including na ba siya sa pipeline? Hall of Justice. Sa Buanga Sibugay po.
Before the Justice would answer, let me welcome our Chair of the Committee of Appropriations, Chair Mika Swansing.
Ay,
And let us hear her first.
good morning, Your Honor.
Ikaw na muna. Okay, so we can proceed with the answer to Congressman Bangcoro. Thank you,
This is just
Justice.